That is actually just for the supporting software like SQL installation and the printer and barcode printing related software application means I just completed the installation. Let's open. Now just click on run as an administrator and go to more info in case if you're showing this and run anyway. Just click on yes. Just wait. Go do it slowly. And over here, these are three software we are going to install. And actually for the SAP Crystal report, this is actually for the printout, invoice billing and barcode, just for the preview and billing printout. And this is actually for the database of SQL Server, which used for the storing that bill informations and products inventory and all. Just click on next. And again, we can click the next. Actually, the installation is going on for the SAP Crystal report. Mostly we need to do the next, but somewhere in this SQL Server installations, we need to take care of some steps over there. There it is actually asking that as automatically it should take the SQL setting informations. We have to make it some automatic settings. Yeah, now 132-bit SQL is installed, and again in a 64-bit versions. Next. So the two SQL SAP Crystal report installation completed, both for the 64 and 32-bit. Now we are going to install the SQL Server, but actually in your computer this is not updated one. Your Windows is not updated one. So that is the reason it's asking. Let me open the settings of Windows. Over here you can see the Windows updates and security. It's up to date showing. Still there will be some kind of applications. The .NET framework related things are there that we need to update it. Either you can complete the updates over here, better to complete the updates from Windows updates. Then this kind of extra installation will not ask. Over the time I'm just doing the installation by clicking here. It will install the .NET framework by directly. I'm clicking here. Some PC, this kind of things will not ask if that PC is updated. For this process, internet is compulsory in our PC. See this download SQL, this Windows features installation is very rarely will come for some of the customers can see these informations. Why? Because this PC which I'm installing is not updated. Not updated means it's do not have the .NET Framework 3.5 at least. That version also not installed in this PC. So it's directly downloading from Windows Server, Microsoft Server and installing it on this PC. That is the process is going on. So some customers this step will not be there. So you don't want to worry. This is actually it depends on our system atmosphere. Yeah, now the features is in .NET Framework 3.5 is installed in your PC. The next it will start the installation process. for the SQL Server, because SQL Server required .NET 3.5 minimum. Just wait. Depends on our computer speed, it will take little time. Some PC it will load little faster, some PC it will take little time. The first options we need to select it for the installation of SQL Server. Oh, it depends. Approximately half an hour like that. Yeah, already started the SQL Server installations. Oh, anyhow, we. Oh, so we can wait for some time. There's a software, it is taking lots of time for installation for the SQL Server. SQL Server and all, it's not from our company. This is from from Microsoft and all. So over here we can just click on next, and be careful. And in this stage also we have to click on next. In case if your PC having already SQL Server, the previous installed versions you can see over here. But in your case you can just click on next. And here we need to make it automatic. Most of the people who do the installation by themselves, they are making the mistake in these steps. They forgot to make it automatic. You have to make it this to automatic, then only this installation, your software installation process will be perfect. And click on next, and here you need to set up the password. Usually we give 123. 123 will be the password, all most of the case we set. Then it is very easy to remember. 123, and here also we again 123. Then click next, again next. So all the configuration is completed, and now the installation process is started for the SQL Server. It will take around 10 to 10 to 30 minutes, depends. Some PC this will finish within 5 minutes, some PC it will take half an hour, some PC it will take 1 hour or so. So the SQL Server installation is going on. So in between I'm just pausing my video. So the installation is completed, SQL Server. Remember, I just pause the video as this is not the right time, means correct time which you are showing in the video is taking for me to install. For in your case also it will depends 10 to 50 minutes or half an hour or more than half an hour also, chances that depends on your computer speed. That is not the problem with the software. It's totally depends our computer sit situations and configurations and performance and all. So once you get the installations of SQL Server is installed computer this window, just click or close, and now you can close this one and hold it on this window. You don't want to go to the next step, just click on cancel, and over here you can just click on yes button. After finishing all these steps you have to do like this, then finish. So the three software we need to have to use the billing software. First we completed the installation of SQL Server installation and SAP Crystal Report installations we completed. So those applications you can see installed in our control panel. Go to the control panel and just go to this uninstall program. Over here you can see this SQL Server, the SAP Crystal Report. These two versions must be there in your computer under control panel programs list, and also this SQL Server, all of this. Once you completed the installation, it will be here, it will be there like this. Okay, and now let's go to the next step for the installation of software. Any software, billing software of our company, whether it is retail and wholesale or pharmacy, or whether it is for the hotel or restaurant, and whether it is for the school CRP, whether it is for this saloon, whatever it is, any software, you need to do the same procedure for the first stage as like this, and then we need to start the installation process for the billing software. You will be getting a zip folder like this, and you need to extract to Easybill POS or something else, and you have to enter 123 as the password. All the file we maintain the password of extract. First we need to extract. For that we have to enter the password of 123 and click OK. So the software folder is extracted. This is a software folder. I just update, and just within that same you can see one more folder. I'm just copying it and go to the D drive. If you're using our billing software, it's always better to have a D drive, and paste like this into this folder. So in this folder we just, in this PC there is some files which is, yeah, for us this is a software folder. Yeah, this is a software folder I just opened. And first steps we need to do the installation of barcode font. Barcode, just double click and click on installation of barcode. Finished. The next barcode is this. Click on install. Again this. Install. Finished. So all the barcode font we already installed in our computer. So the next step is we can just close this window. Sorry. Go to the software folder again, and this is the folder. Open this and go to the exe file. There are lots of exe. You just wanted to go for this one, the so application file, applications, and like this software icon you can see this. You can take it and send it to desktop, then close it, and that software icon you can see it here. And now Just open, double click and open, and the first time it will show ask you some kind of administrative control, and where you need to click like this, show more, and change when this notification appears, and make it here and click OK. Just confirm. Yes. Now start the software again by double clicking it. Over here you need to type your SQL server name, so we can't remember or manually type it. Just click on the search server link. It will automatically fetch the SQL server name. So in case if you forgot to enable the automatic steps while doing the installation of SQL server, this will get an error. But we have successfully made it automatic, so that is the reason it's that automatic process is so automatically the SQL server name fetched by the software. And SQL server username, in any PC the SQL server username will be always SA, super admin, and the password is, as I told you, I said the SQL server password is 123 at the time of SQL server installations. If you have some doubts, you can just go back the video and where I'm just enter the SQL server password. So I said 123. That 123 I entered here. For just for a testing, you can just successfully the DB connections, the software and the database connection is successful. Now click OK and save this SQL server settings and click OK to create the database file in the SQL server. Then click OK. Again you can start the software. This is all the process only for the first time. And now it are going to start the software, and where we need to enter the company informations, your shop date, shop name, and address, city, states or country, and the GST number or VAT number, whatever it is. And you need to type the financial year properly. In the case in India it will be April 1st to March 31st always. It's another country, it will be some January 1st to December 31st. So depends, you have to set it properly, financial year. So over here you can start filling the company name, your shop name. This informations will be in your shop, in your invoice, billing, and all this kind of documents. Whatever the details you're filling, that details will get printed out also. So thank you for watching. This is the installation video for the software, and the next steps is we need to enter all these informations. Again we need to create the company, and it will close the software. We need to start again, then it will give you a full window where you need to enter the login username and password of admin and admin. You can get into the software, then we can start the next steps. For any software, for the pharmacy also the same step, for the retail also same step, for other software also almost similar steps you need to follow. You just use your sense. In case if you are not able to do it, you can ask our technical team help and they will help you to do the installation process over on your PC. Only you need to provide the SQ Ultra Viewer. This is Ultra Viewer software. So this kind of Ultra Viewer software you need to install for connecting our technical team to do the installation on your PC. And the technical support also they used to provide in the Ultra Viewer or with the help of any desk. Mostly we use Ultra Viewer. That is open source and free one. So thank you for watching. So we have completed all the installation and we just fill the details of shop. And now I'm just going to click on create. Restart the software again. So if you're getting like this, you just click on free, and before activation you just send the system ID to our technical team. So next time if you are interested to purchase, they will generate you the activation code based on this system ID. So over here I'm just sending that system ID by WhatsApp to our customer care team, and just hiding that process with you. Activated. So the free version is activated. Again, you need to start the software by double clicking it. So if you are asking like this, you need to click on no. It's asking you, do you want to register your software with full versions? If you wanted to do that, you need to have a activation code, but you don't have the activation code. That's the reason you can just click on no and click, just drop down and select the company name, click on login. So the software, it's open. You can just click no to continue to use the free versions. Now I just wanted to use this logo image and go to this company, and over here you can browse. Yes, yes. So I'm just selecting that logo. If you wanted to upload the logo, that will be available under master entry and company informations, and where you can upload the browser. In these sections you can upload and then you can save it. And also you can add your bank account details, and that will also will print out in the UPI QR code related details also you can set up here. And that's it for these sections. And again you need to go to this master entry. You need to create the category, like what all the categories. For example, if you're using for the hardware shops, it will be having plywood, glass, hardware and electricals. Or if it is a textiles, there will be some ladies or gents, right? Like that multiple. Yeah, man. The entering the products in another sections. Before that, you need to have some category. Yeah, like yeah, you can just create one. If it is for, do it, type it, one category name, men's, and click save. Okay. Under men, if you have any other, then you can just subcategory. Subcategory is compulsory. And under men, do you have any other category name or brand or something? That also you can, or else you can just click on men. Men, under men, it will be having pant, t-shirts, like that, pants. Okay. I'm just saving it. So now we can go to the product entry. Under master entry, now we just completed the third steps. Unit master already will be there. Some units like kilo, kg, bag, kilogram, all this kind of things. Already the data is there. In case if that list is not available, then you can add it under that sections. And the tax percentage settings. Over here you can just type your GST percentage. By default 0 is there. And which is your past GST percentage? Okay, you are not filing. Then you just skip this one. And now you can go to the sales, that also you can just skip it, and tax types. So you're making the bill with GST or without GST? So without tax. So select non tax, non-GST, non-GST, and the purchase and sale price is including. Okay, so no tax, no tax. Save it. So tax type also finish. The rest of things is not mandatory. And over here you can go ahead with this account heads. In these sections you can add some different type of expenses that you have in your shops, like rent, shop rent. uh, Pardon. That I will show you. You have to create the head. What are the reasons for the expense? Electricity, or this different types of, you can just under this. In case if you're paying for the GST, for the tax, you have to select goods and service tax. You have to select these options and then you need to enter that. You can tax. So the expenses you will be add under the expense entry. On this window, that expense you can type to whom you are going to pay. It's for Kumar is collected this payment, and the reason of making the payment is for electricity, and the amount you are going to pay is 2500, and add it into this. And how you made the payment, cash or bank, that you can select it by cash, and the 2500 you are going to make the payment and save and print. Like this way you can just manage your expenses. And like that, then now we can go to this add products. We have separate video for adding the products, but and from here you need to type your products name. You can type the pant category you're going to add it. You can add one product name, type it. Yeah, we have. You can upload the products list by uploading in bulk process, but this is not the name which match for your category of men's under pants. Just not the pant. Match the category, or else you create a category related to that which you're going to edit. Rocky pant. And you know the HSN code, but you are not filing GSTs, and then it is not required. In case if you want, you can. If you are entering GST, then HSN code is compulsory. And this field also is not required actually. And what is a purchase rate? You can type it. And MRP. Yeah. Yeah, that depends. You can just, or else you can just set it the same price of retail, and that's it. And rest of thing it is not required to have changes. That's it. And over here the text, opening stock quantity means a stock which is available in your shop currently, but that is actually you don't require, you don't type it over here, because once you type in the opening stock sections, you cannot make any changes later. You can't change it. So better you can add the stocks by the help of purchase entry. And minimum stock means the at least uh, minimum how much quantity should be there in your shop always. Suppose you have 100 quantity, but that same piece at least minimum always you should maintain in the shop at 10 piece. That is a means the 10. This piece, this item, how many pieces is required in your shop? At least minimum. So if the stock is, if the stock, if the If the stock is less than 10, it will give you the warning and it will show you under this low stock list. So you can just reorder the item stock. You can add it again. Quantity, the available stock, you can add it under this purchase entry sections. Then it will be, if any corrections you want, that will show you the next steps. Let us finish the purchase product adding sections. So in your case, we are making the selection of tax type is no tax and purchase also no tax. And the GST says and all this are kind of 0%. So we can just click on save. In case if you wanted to upload the product image, that also you can do it, or else you can take it from Google also. Click on online image library. So in this sections automatically based on your typed name Rocky Pant, it will fetch from Google and any of the image which matching you can select it. Anyone matching over this? No. Just click on, or else you can upload it from your computer. And so then click on save. So directly you can generate the barcode while adding the products itself. You can just click on the barcode button. The product name is this and the barcode number is so and so and available quantity is 0, and suppose you wanted to take a printout. Different printing design model is available here. You can choose which one you want and the number of copy you wanted to have 6 piece, and select this and click on print preview. Yeah, you can see this printer preview like this. So different designs is available, and click on print button. You have to choose the right printer. You already connected your barcode printer to this computer? No. Okay, so this is a process and you can have different designs. And for example, let me go for this another one. This is another sample, and in case if you want, we can also customize it as per your requirements. Your label says we can customize it. And we added Rocky Pant, and that Rocky Pant we need to add into the purchase entry. Before adding into the purchase entry, we need to mention the supplier from where we purchased. So we need to add a supplier. Add a supplier name. For example, I'm just adding a dummy one. Supplier address local, and it is your same state and postal code. Contact number also I'm putting 0. That's it. I'm just making save. Email ID, it's save it. Okay, now just close this, go to the purchase entry, select the supplier from by clicking this. In case the supplier is not available, in case you can type it. If the supplier is available, you can select it directly from here. If in case the supplier is not available, you can just click on plus button directly from this window. You can add it. And if you wanted to take or update your previous supplier, just go to the get data button and you can select that one, and you can make any changes if required. Just making 1 2 3 and update it. I updated the contact number, and now go to the supplier and I selected supplier. Now go to the invoice number 123, whatever it is, the invoice number they are giving, and their invoice date, whatever it is, you can change it. And what is the date of payment you made, or the date of payment you are going to make it, in case if it is a credit purchase. And here it is the purchase types. you have to select it that purchase is made by full of paid by cash or credit or bank, whatever it is. Then you can make it like this, and then we have to type that product name. What was the product name? Something like a pant, right? Rocky. So Rocky pant, and you barcode is automatically it is coming. And in case if you wanted to generate new barcode, click on generate new barcode, it will automatically generate new barcode. Okay, so I'm just using the same barcode which we already having in that products, and click on enter. Now how much quantity you are going to purchase, how much stock is available, 10. Okay, okay, for example 20, and click on enter. And what is MRP? We already entered 500. In case if you wanted to make changes, you can make the changes from here. 940, making changes, and the purchase price is 300. This time you got the item in 3275. And now you're going to make the sales rate, retail sales prices for 80 you are going to sales, and the wholesale rate again for 50 you are going to sale, and click enter button, so it is added into the graph. So I'm going to make the save, but before saving it, how much amount you paid for the 5500, that how much amount you paid? I paid 500. The rest of balance is 5000. It will cost to the this supplier credits ledger. Yeah, and now this I saved. Now refresh it. Now we made a purchase of 5500 and I made only 500, and we can see the 5000 rupees balance. Got it? So once after generating that, this bill, it will be look like this, right? So directly by clicking the generate barcode, it will come here like this, and you can choose your bill format, which model you want, and take the barcode. Though the barcode will be automatically, it will be based on the number of copy based on your purchase number. You have purchased 20 pieces, so the barcode also set it to 20 pieces going to print out. So the pardon, only 10 sticker only you want. You have to make it to 10, and then you just select this and take this. It will only 20 10. Okay, so any kind of process you can do it. So we have finished, and this is a cipher barcode, which actually for this in this barcode you can see we have to enable from that settings, but it will be a lengthy. See, the price is displayed, right? Instead of displaying the price like this, we can make some kind of short code, so only you know that what is the price by looking at the sticker. Customer do not understand, so that purpose we are using this cipher barcode. This kind of sticker will display. For that we have to generate some short code that we have to set up in the settings. We have to go to the settings, in that cyber code settings. In this we have to make some short code like 0 is representing A, and 1 is representing B. Understood? So this will help you to make some code. C E F G H I I K. And now we already purchased some stocks. Now you can see the dashboard reports. We have made a purchase of 5,500, which is shown here, and currently you have a 20 pieces stock. And the supplier credit how much? 5,000 because you paid 500. But you don't have anything in your hand, but still you paid. That means that is cash in hand goes to minus. Got it? So the next step is we are going to make the sales. Now and how many pieces you are going to make it, you can. Yeah, I'm just going to. This is a manual process I'm going to show you, and you can click on save button. It will generate the bill. And if you wanted to make by barcode, you can simply scan it. It added. Got it? Once you scan it, it will add the items into the list. Again, you scan it. Quantity is 2, right? And one more trick I will show you. On the barcode field, I'm making 5 pieces, so 10, 8 piece. So 8 into that barcode. You can just use the barcode. It will add the 8 pieces into the stocks list in a single process. Then you just click on save. Uh, Pardon? Uh, yeah. You wanted to update in case you can select that row and the price of selling price you wanted to update and give it in 450. Just update the 450. Uh, yeah, in the percentage list you can just add 10 percentage. That 10 percentage the price is, the discount is 48 and the total amount is this, and you can just click on this row update. So the total is 432 including the 10 percentage discount. Got it? And here it is showing the total profit that you're going to get from this sales, 157. It's very small. Did you see? Yeah, in these sections you can see. So after that you can just click on this save button. In case if you have multiple payment options, check or credit or Google Pay, those credit purchase also you can select it. Then we can just click on save button. So it will ask you, do you want to make the printout? Just click on yes, it will show you the printout. If you click no, it will not take the printout. Again you can start the next billing. So if you wanted to see the printout, first we need to set up the invoice format and all these things. Terminal settings. In this you need to choose your printer. Do you have any printer right now? For example, I'm selecting this is as your printer. Okay, means settings, again this sales invoice settings. Which is your bill printer? Mm. Just let me take the previous bill. We already generated 1 or 2 bills. I just wanted to reprint it. Just click on get data and I'm selecting that previous bill and I'm just printing it. So it's showing the design. So this one we can customize it how we want, how you want. Just show the 2-inch printer. Okay, okay, that was okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have the size of 3-inch till 3-inch we have. You can even you can change the printer for size right from the sales window. Let me reprint it in 3-inch size. So now you can see. Got it? So like this you can take the print out and oh, just let me check the printer. It will not show directly that you need to. Sorry, not you need to install the driver in case if you didn't install it, because you didn't install it. Hmm. Yeah, over here. Yeah, you can have different reports from here. Under sales also you can see different kind of reports. For today, this is the cash purchase and this is the profit and total soil, and you can see other type of reports. Uh, yes, yes. Over here you can the sales by payment by cash you made the sales and the category men's pant. The category wise if you maintain, so you can see how many men pant you generate. Everything you can see. Mm. Hmm? Yeah, here it is having report sections, different type of sales, accounts book, ledger, outstanding credits, term statement, and sales. If you wanted to have the sales, different type of sales report over here, you can see it. So you have to filter accordingly based on the customer to one customer, how many, and like from one PC, like you have two, three PC, based on that PC, you can filter what all the sales, how much sales is happened. And operator based, like you have a salesman, they have their own account to logging into the software and they are making the billing with their name. That details also you can see. And with the tags, without tags, all this kind of selection also you can do it. So different type of selection, based on the different type of selections, it will give the reports. And some other section also there for this. You can see different type of sales return dashboards and stock in hand, available stock. This piece we purchased, currently it is having only 11 piece. And the stock value, this is the stock value, number of item, number of pieces. And there are lots of reports available and the tax reports also. Okay.